Welcome to Nell Model Railway. I'm John. This is the place where we design and scratch build, kit build, and do lots of scenery. Okay, I didn't expect to do a video quite so soon, but a big thank you to Gary Long, who watched the last video that I posted yesterday regarding the initial phases of building the flyover. And he saw something dreadful that I had omitted due to my lack of engineering knowledge and thought processes. This was that I've based all my images and work on a motorway crossing a motorway, not a motorway crossing a railway line. And Gary rightly points out that should a train derail, the forces of that heavy piece of engineering hitting a concrete column could demolish the column with catastrophic consequences for the road users above. So he has wisely suggested that I manufacture some deflection beams. So here is a very short video on deflection beams, which I made yesterday. I won't be able to install them until I finally take the flyover back up to the loft, because it is a bit of a heavy piece of kit. But when I do, they will be stuck in place and just add to the security of the flyover, albeit it's going to be a removable section, especially so I can do the scenic work underneath it. So thank you once again, Gary, and enjoy the quick video. There won't be any more commentary from me. Thank you once again for watching, and hopefully you'll click on the subscribe button and become one of my subscribers. Click on the bell icon so you can get your notifications. Thank you very much indeed. Bye for now.